Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about how this equal operator is used in Java for string comparison, or exactly how this equal operator work in string. Let's see an example so that you can understand. So I have created a string 1 and string 2 using new operator. I'm creating a string object. Okay, and I'm using string 1 is equal to string 2. I'm checking for that. Actually, this one stores the address of this object and this one stores the address of the second object, and we are trying to compare it. Of course, it will go to this block because they are not equal. They are in a different address. So exactly speaking, address str1 will have the address 1 in memory, str2 will have the address 2 in the memory. So we are comparing these two, though they are equal, the contents are equal actually, so there is no difference between the contents, but still they are not equal because we are checking the address here. Okay, so let's see the second example. I have the same string, but here it is a string literal. I am not using a new operator, whereas here I am using a new operator and creating a string object. Here is a string literal. Okay, so string literal I am creating, and I am trying to use the same comparison, str1 and str2. This time it will go to this block. They are equal. These two are equal because whenever you use a string literal, if the contents are equal, they will be, if the contents are same, okay, if the contents are same, they will be stored in the same address. So this will have, for example, A address, and this will also be in the, it will also refer to the A address because the contents are equal. Okay, so let's debug this to understand in a better way. So we are creating a string 1 object. Okay, it is address 1, and this is a different address. Though the contents are same, it will be created in a 2 different address. So unfortunately it goes to the else block. The objects in memory are not equal. Though the contents are equal, the contents are same, address are different. Okay, these two address, memory address are different. That's why it's going to the else block. Now I'm going to use string literal. The only difference between this example and this example is we are using new operator. Here we are using string literal. This will go luckily to the first block because the contents are same and they are created using string literal. Java, what it does is, if you are trying to create the second string using string literal, it will check the contents. If the contents are same, it will just refer to the same address. So what happens is, it created an object, Java string object, and it has an address here, and whenever you do this step, this execution, it checks the contents. If it is equal, just assign this address to str2. That's how it works here. That's why it's going to the first block. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.